Everyone understands that if you want to build wealth and have more than enough for when you retire, you've got to invest. Countless investing opportunities exist and are marketed to us every single day through brokers and social media and whatnot. But each opportunity comes with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's take a look at the two hottest that everyone talks about: cryptocurrencies and real estate. What are cryptocurrencies? They are digital currencies that are intended to be used to purchase goods and services at its core. And that is why I'm talking about it here in my video and comparing it to a more traditional approach to investing, which is real estate. You've heard all the names of the coins that are various cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin being the most famous one, and then there is Cardo, there is Ethereum, there is Ripple. The benefits of investing in crypto to profit from its appreciation is that it's different from traditional currencies, as it is decentralized and no one entity regulates or has control over it. Transfers are easily done through a series of privately connected computers that share a ledger. Each time Bitcoin is transferred, it is publicly shared via the blockchain. There are also a limited number of Bitcoin in circulation, so a government cannot simply print more. This protocol makes crypto inflation-proof and is one of the big reasons why people are interested in Bitcoin. Another advantage is a low barrier to entry. While the price of a full Bitcoin is fluctuating between $20,000 to $30,000 at the moment, an individual can purchase much smaller units. Yes, Bitcoin has grown that big that even its smaller units that only represent a fraction of a Bitcoin are valuable and in demand. There are also countless altcoins that will allow you to purchase a full coin for a much lower price. One of the most popular being Ethereum, which is currently going for around $1,400. Crypto also has a long-term upside with the potential for seemingly exponential gains. In the past 5 years alone, Bitcoin value has increased by almost 6,000%. That figure was close to 9,000% during its peak in April 21. Other coins have posted over 1,000% returns in the past few years. Additionally, many institutional investors are warming up to Bitcoin. JP Morgan recently announced that they will be the first big bank to allow retail crypto fund access. Some project Bitcoin prices will even grow over $100,000 in the near future and may eventually replace fiat money like the US dollar or the euro. But remember that cryptocurrencies are not a tangible asset. It only exists on the internet. This causes some of us to fear lack of transparency and also makes it hard to determine the true value of a coin, which can lead to it being traded for a value higher than it is truly worth. These factors contribute to the fear of crypto being a bubble and investors being left with nothing. Additionally, there are no dividends or rents paid by owning crypto, so no passive cash flow opportunities. Really, the only way to make money with crypto is via capital appreciation that you'll realize at the sale of the coin. Another downside to crypto is the high volatility. In the past year alone, Bitcoin went from around $10,000 in October to over $60,000 in April 2021. It then went below $30,000 mid of July 21 and now is up by 31% in the past week, up to $20,000. This isn't the first time Bitcoin has gone through its kind of extreme volatility. In 2017, Bitcoin went from $1,000 to a little under $20,000. After about 4 months, the value had gone back to only $7,000. This volatility makes it hard for even the most risk-tolerant investor, as you know at any time, you could lose the entire value of your investment. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons of real estate. Investing in real estate is hands down one of the best ways to save for retirement and build wealth. It has certainly stood the test of time as an investable asset. Investing in real estate is very popular and for good reason, as there are advantages that other assets simply don't realize. One of those advantages is that you will get a tangible asset, one that you can see, touch and feel. It has intrinsic value because of what it is, not because people attribute a value to it. Real estate is also a necessity, as people will always need a place to live, a place to work, a place to exercise, etc. As an investor, you will also have the opportunity to force the appreciation of the asset. You can make strategic improvements which can result in higher monthly rents, and since real estate investment values are based on the net income they produce, increase the value of the property. These improvements can range anywhere from doing new paint and elevations on the exterior of the property to security improvements or even a full rehab on the interior. Real estate also brings in a steady source of income, passive cash flow. These monthly rents can be used to cover the mortgage payments on a property. Rents will also typically increase with inflation, making real estate a suitable hedge against inflation. Now, the drawbacks of investing in real estate. While real estate has some significant benefit, it also has its drawbacks. One con of real estate investing is that the asset is not as liquid as other vehicles. Unlike a stock, which can be bought and sold at any time, real estate often cannot be traded quickly. It can take several months or even years to find a suitable buyer for a property, which makes real estate more of a long-term play than some of the other asset classes. Real estate is also costly to own and maintain. You could easily spend hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars to purchase a building, which creates a sizable barrier to entry. Additionally, as the property owner, you are responsible for the property's overall condition. If you decide to invest your money in either crypto or real estate, the decision is simple. Investing in real estate provides you with a tangible asset that will generate a reliable source of income each month, in addition to appreciation. Real estate is also independent of the stock market, so it is a great way to diversify your portfolio and mitigate your overall risk. Crypto, on the other hand, is more of a speculative guess than an investment based on fundamentals. The price is highly volatile, and there is a chance any investor could lose all or some of their money. It doesn't pay any dividends, and the only way to make money off of it is via capital appreciation. Real estate has significantly less risk, which will give you more consistent returns and will provide you with a tangible asset. In almost every case, real estate is the better investment, but it couldn't hurt to diversify with both in your portfolio. These were my comparisons to help you decide which is a better investment, cryptocurrencies or real estate. I'm Zohaib, aka Realtor on a Harley, and I'll be posting videos twice a week to this YouTube channel. So if you got any value out of this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye for now.